So I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to remove your braids because I actually get a lot of questions about braid removal, and I just had to take these out because I got places to be tonight, and these look like they've been in my head since 1967, so they got to go. But what you want to start by doing is, if you can see where your natural hair stops, you can cut it right below where your natural hair stops, and then they'll kind of unravel. Like, this is the point where I'm at right now, and I usually take rat tail comb, the metal tip one, because it's easier to dig through, and you just start digging right in. You dig right in one time and you'll be done in no time. It's the easiest thing in the world. You pick through. Now, I did these braids knotless, so knotless braids usually have less lint buildup, but when you do have that buildup at the root, hold on, let me clip this back so y'all can see. When you do have a little buildup at the root, you want to just hold your hair nice and tight like this, and wherever that buildup is, you just start pressing the comb at it, just kind of like hack at it, and it'll loosen it right up, and then you just comb it right through. You should be able to just comb it right out. So when your hair starts coming out like this, don't even worry about it, because that's really just your shedding that your hair did, because your hair shed every day, so it's normal for your hair to come out when you're combing it out. That's not like a big deal. But if an astronomical amount of hair comes out of your head, then it's an issue. But I usually just take my comb and just chop at it to loosen that area up, and then wherever you feel if it's not loose, you just keep hacking at it like this until it loosens up and you're able to comb it on down. And you just continue that for the rest of the takeout, and you're done. It's literally that simple. Any type of braids, this should work for any type of braids that you have that you might have that little knot at the root. Don't ever wet your hair first when you have that knot. If you wet your hair and you have that knot at the root and you have that little knot up there and you wet it, your hair is going to be so hard to detangle. You're going to be so sorry. You're going to wish you was never born when you do that. So I say don't even try it. And this is not going to do nothing to your hair. You just hitting it right at that spot where the little buildup is at. So I'm going to finish taking these out, and then I'm just going to shampoo my hair. But this is literally the easiest way to do your takeout. It works for everybody. It's pretty simple. Okay, and here I am 20 minutes later with my jumbo knotless box braid removed, and I just rub my scalp just to make sure that I don't feel any little pieces of buildup. Braid removal is super easy. It's something that anybody could do. It's something that will save you time and money at the salon, because braid removal service is an actual service. And I don't know what makes people think that if you go to the shop with braids in your hair that it's free for them to get taken out, when it actually pushes your time back, and it makes, the stylists have to do additional work. So yes, you will be charged, but at any rate, try removing your braids yourself at home, and it's so great when you get to take your braids out and you can just really, really get in there and really, really scratch your scalp. Because, oh my God, I cannot wait to shampoo my hair. Like, I cannot wait to really, really scratch my scalp and stuff. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.